Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. Today we shall be going the old-fashioned way. We shall be using the MetaTrader 4 or the MT4 to capture entries using moving averages and parabolic SAR. We are using the MT4 because I have received requests to create videos using this platform. Now, we are looking at silver US dollar on 1 hour time frame, and the two indicators that we shall be using are moving averages, the EMS, and parabolic SAR. Let's go ahead and add these indicators. To add the moving average, you just go to indicators list, then trend, and you will be able to see the moving average. Now we will be using 12 EMA and 5. Let's make this green. Let's maintain that as green. Let's add another moving average. Let's add the 5, make it light blue. Okay, let's make it a little bit thicker. Nice. Now the second indicator that we shall be using is called the parabolic SAR. To add the parabolic SAR, let's head to indicators, then trend, and you will be able to see the parabolic SAR. Now let's make changes here. The step should be 0.02 and maximum should be 0.2, and let's make this black. Sorry, black. Nice. If you want to save these indicators, you go to templates, save template, then you can rename your preferred name. You can rename this template your preferred name, then you don't have to go again and do this. Okay, now we enter a short trade when these two conditions happen. Let's add here a support and resistance levels first. Let's draw. We have a resistance there. Let's add another support down here to support our analysis. Okay. Enter a short trade when these two conditions happen. Condition number 1. The EMA 5 blue, this blue EMA, crosses over so that it's below the EMA 12, the green EMA, and both facing down, like here. Condition number 2. Parabolic SAR dot appear above the price candle here, like here. We see both EMAs are facing down. EMA 5 is below the EMA 12 and they are both facing down, and we have a parabolic dot on top of the price candle. Now we know that this is a sell order. And we can see we also have a resistance level here that has been tested here again, so we know this is a strong resistance level. Another example is here. The EMA 5 crosses over so that it's below the EMA 12. The parabolic dot appears above the price candle. Now we know that this is a short trade. Now we enter a long position when these two conditions happen. Condition number 1, the EMA 5, the blue EMA, crosses over so that it's above the EMA 12, this green EMA, and they are both facing up like here. Condition number 2, parabolic SAR appear below the price candle like here. Now we know that this is a buy order. Let's see another example like here. EMA 5 crosses over so that it's above the EMA 12, and they're both facing up. Parabolic SAR appear below the price. Now that we know that this is a long position. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.